Welcome to Freshesna channel. Today's video is going to be about consulting software engineer. How is their pay going to be in India and in major parts of India, as well as you would also know not just the pay scale related details, but how is their job going to be and what are the skills that a consulting software engineer should know. Having which in professional experience, or if the person is into the same career path of a consulting software engineer with the professional experience and years of experience, the person is eventually going to grow into a senior developer or on a senior level basis. The pay is going to be on a high standard, and alongside with that, the person, he or she, should know or inculcate the relevant skills along with their degree and specializations as well. Now, before we head over, you should know about the definition of a consulting software engineer. Leverages with the software consultants and also with the client admins. The person is going to be or should be good at decision making and also to implement the skills which the person has inculcated. The skills and also the decision making are going to be the core components of a consulting software engineer. These people or them are also called as consulting SEs. So they are often addressed as SEs or CSEs. So if you are anyone who is interested into consulting and also letting or wanting to move the organization forward or taking up the company ahead, you can take up this career as a consulting software engineer. Heading over to the definition, which is going to be on statement base. A software consultant is also called as an IT professional or is an IT professional, is going to be hired to give advices on strategies, designing, building, and also sometimes its implementation. Now, as I've already mentioned, the core component is going to be about the decision making skills. So decision making is going to be the prior element or the focus where that is going to take the essential part in designing, developing, building, and also the implementation of software and also to solve business related problems. So that is what a consultant software engineer is going to be interlinked with. So whether it be building up softwares or knowing about its implementation, the algorithms, the programming, the languages, all of that is going to be intertwined with whatever it is going to be. It is going to be alongside with the decision making skill. Now heading over to the next part, which is about the skills that the consultant should be knowing. Being a software engineer from consulting, the core component skills are as follows. Now before I list this out, or as you can already see on the screen, I'm going to give a just brief outlook on the core essential skills that the person should inculcate. So as we already know, this person is going to be in developing, building, and its implementation. The person already breaks down the boundaries between the development, the operations, and also the implementation of the software. So it is going to be aligned eventually with all of the sectors which he or she is working. Now there are three major reasons or three major rules that this person is going to be heading over. The first one, as mentioned here, or which I'll be mentioning here, is the first one is going to be a broader outlook. So what do you mean by a broader outlook? Through a broader outlook, the person is going to have a good ton of exposure. You are going to be well aware of various designs, the techniques used, the implementation processes, and everything which is going to be interlinked with the outlook that the SE is going to have. The second prior reason is going to be a moral boost. So what is this? It is not just being treated as a commodity. You will be further taking up into a CTO level where you will be having a very good ton of interactions in between, and all of that which is going to be interlinked with the priorities. And the third most important part is going to be soft skills, or you can also call it as interpersonal skills. Putting up your soft skills to action is the major task or the responsibility that a consulting software engineer should know. because only when you communicate, only when you know as to how you are being implementing your software into action and helping the person to understand or your client to understand, will eventually make a prior development through the process. Now let's head over to the skills part, which is coding and computer programming is the one major thing or the element that the person should know. Software testing, so obviously should be well aware of about testing a software and then putting out into the market. Next one is object oriented design, OOD, which should give a purpose and also fulfill the relevant precautions that it is going to be have at the back end. The next one is going to be development of the software, eventually bringing out its development under various stages or the processes which is going to be involved with it. The next one is communication skills, which is known to be an asset for a consultant SE. And then problem solving skills, which also comes under analytical thinking and critical analysis. And the next one is attention to detail. So only when you give prior notice and also prior concern about the details in the software, then you will be understanding what are the elements that it is being presented, what are the processes that is to go through, and what are the further techniques or the frameworks that you have to implement in it. All of that is going to be related into the attention in detail and also the problem solving skills that you should be inculcating with. Now that you have got a brief idea about the skills section, we are going to now head over to the next part of the consulting SE, which is what does this person do. So apart from designing implementation of the software and knowing about all of the processes of software, this person has a prior task to do. Here is a list, or here are the points that you can have a look at. The first one is about designing software system which is going to be customizable. The first part which you have to remember, customized, and that customization is going to be having specific task related priorities that the person should be achieving with. Next one is analyzing the company's computer system, or if you are working with a client, then you have to understand the client database and determine how you have to use or how you have to let your client to use the software and make the processes more efficient and user friendly. The next one is provide technical support, and the prior past or the most important thing is to troubleshooting services for the clients. So this is one of the most important thing, because technical support is the most crucial part that a consultant will be doing to provide all of the support whenever the software is being updated or it is undergoing through a process of changes. And this also includes troubleshooting of the services and knowing about debugging and also its relevant stages where the software has to undergo. The next section that we are going to now look into is how you have to become a consultant SE. So if you are interested in this particular role, here are a few steps apart from your degree and your specializations. Here are the few roles or steps that you can consider becoming one. So first one is execute program modifications and changes. So everything which is related to programming. And then it is interface with clients, software professionals and other consultants. So you should have good network of people where you can know the application processes and also what are the stages that they are undergoing with. And the next one is always reviewing and evaluating the technical design and the quality as to how the issue is getting processed and the other techniques that is being implemented. So you should be under the reviewing stage and knowing about the alternatives that they are taking. So this is another major important task that you can do. The next one is coordinate and collaborate with other workflow processes and also any element which is interlinked with the designing, programming and also testing. So you should know about the interlinks that are being connected with it. So all of these major components will be eventually leading you or helping you to progress being a consultant SE. Now the next part that we are going to look into is the job roles. What are the job roles which are aligned in consultant SE? So not just directly jumping off into the position of a consultant software engineer, But if you want to be senior developer or senior developer in softwares, so you have to go through all of these job roles which are associated with them. The first one, as you can see, is to give end-to-end support in building software. It is not just one point of view. You have to make sure that is a two-way process. You have to make sure that you are giving support in building as well as taking up your reviews. The next one is to analyze the reliability of the software for the present and the future situations. So you should always ensure that you are making a good progress or the outlook of the software for now and for the future. The next point is to ensure that the software features and whatever is going to be you are implementing is user friendly and accessible, understandable as well. The next one, you should also aligning with the company's policies or the client's needs also. The next is to give due contributions while decisions are being made and how the business software is going to be implemented or developed. And the next one is to innovate ideas for the progress of the operations and also to bring profit. So you should always be ahead with the ideas development. So this will bring an outlook or it will innovate the thinking process. So these are the job roles which are aligned with this. Now we'll be heading over to the pay scales that you will be getting or the pay that you will be getting if you are landing in any part of India. First, on an average basis, in India, a consultant software engineer is going to get around 10,87,000, as you can see. That is a very good amount of pay because the landing of or the career path of a consultant software engineer is going to be on a senior developer basis. So that is why the pay is going to be very high, and this average pay is taken from the source pay scale. So if you want, you can visit their website. This is just taken on an average basis, not that you will be, as soon as you become one, you can be getting this pay. So it will be differing according to the company and also the organization that you are working with. The next one is if you are anywhere in Mumbai, because Mumbai is a place where it gives ample of opportunities for many tech related or anything which is related with technological development. So the pay is going to be around 7,87,000. So that is a very good leap. The next one is in Hyderabad. So AP, Telangana, all of the places which are surrounded. If you are looking forward to step into this career from South India, I think this is going to be the best place where you can boom your career as a consultant SE, which is going to be paid of 9,50,000, which is going to be a good amount anywhere from South India. And the next one is in Bangalore. Bangalore also gives a huge exposure for consultant SE, which is ranging up to 26,36,000. So that is a very huge leap for being a consultant SE in Bangalore, because Bangalore is a place which will give you an exposure of ample of opportunities, learning and also progressing as well. And the next one is in Pune, which sums up to a good amount, which is 8 lakhs. And then it is Noida, Delhi, which is going to be around 11 lakhs per annum. So all of this is going to be taken under only average basis, not just related to one company. On an average scale, this amount is given to you. So don't just think that you are going to get right away this particular amount. It is going to be differing according to the organization that you are going to work with. If you have any other suggestions, if you have any other opinions, you can place them in the comment section. Do wait for rest of the videos regarding anything which is related to career and their career paths and how they are going to land up with their pays. So if you want more, just stay tuned to Freshers Now channel, subscribe, and thank you for watching.